Hello everyone, welcome to Syed Raza Tech Craft. Today we'll look at a device that we use every day, that is a router. So let's see how it works and let's understand its functions. A router is a networking device that connects multiple devices to the internet. It connects different networks together and it routes data to the correct destination. That's why it's called as a router. So let's see how exactly it works. So the router receives data from your devices. It decides where the data should go. It sends the data to the correct device or a server, handles incoming data as well, and prevent data from getting mixed up. Here I have built a sample network to see exactly how a router works. So as you can see, there are two PCs in network 1 connected to a switch and two PCs in network 2 connected to a switch as well. And then these two switches connects to the router. So that's how a router connects two different networks together. Why router matters? Because router organizes your entire network. It enables Wi-Fi and wired connections. It manages device addressing and keep traffic flowing efficiently. It adds a security layer. Is essential for modern internet setups because without router, nothing will work properly on the internet. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today we are explaining a key system that makes the internet easy to use. DNS. Let's break it down. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It is the system that translates website names into an IP addresses. In simple terms, DNS is the internet's phone book. It helps your device find the correct server when you type a website name. Without DNS, we would have to memorize long numerical IP addresses. Why DNS matters? When you enter a website like google.com, your device does not understand names. It only understands IP addresses. DNS converts the name into an IP address in the background. This process happens automatically and instantly. Thanks to DNS, the internet becomes user-friendly. Let's see how DNS works. Here what happens when you open a website. First, your device sends a request to a DNS server. The DNS server looks up to the domain name. It finds the matching IP address. Then it sends the IP address back to your device. Your device uses that address to reach the correct website. This entire process takes milliseconds. There are few types of DNS records. DNS uses different types of records. The most common one is a record, which maps a domain name to an IPv4 address. There are also quadruple records for IPv6 addresses, CNAME records for aliases, MX records for email servers. Each record has a specific purpose. Now let's see why DNS is important. The DNS makes website easy to access. It keeps the internet organized. It allows services to operate smoothly. It supports email, web browsers, and countless applications. It also improves performance through caching. It helps users to navigate the internet without confusion. Without DNS, the internet would be extremely difficult to use. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Syed Raza Tech Craft. See you in the next video.